Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If using Photoshop Elements 2023, new beta features appear in the organizer that integrate with web and cloud features introduced for Photoshop Elements. Like all beta features, these may change before final deployment or may disappear entirely. Adobe Photoshop Elements now provides 2 gigabytes of free cloud storage in Adobe Creative Cloud. Note that the 2 gigabytes of storage uses existing Creative Cloud storage for current Creative Cloud subscribers if applicable. You can upload and download media to this free storage to access it and sync it across multiple devices if needed. However, note that some media, like camera RAW files, are currently unsupported for online cloud access. Concurrently, Adobe is also separately providing beta versions of a mobile app and web app that you can use to manage this content online and create and share online content more easily with others. You can access these new beta features within the Organizer window of the Photoshop Elements desktop app. To upload selected media in the Organizer to the cloud storage in Elements Web, click the Upload to Cloud button in the taskbar. The selected items then appear in an Upload to the Cloud dialog box, which shows the items, the amount of storage they will use, and the amount remaining. To continue uploading these items, click the Upload button in this dialog box. Alternatively, click the Cancel button to cancel the upload. To close this dialog box after a successful upload, click the Done button. Alternatively, to view them in the Elements Web app, click the Open Elements Web button instead. To manage uploaded cloud content or create and share cloud content using the Elements Web app, click the drop-down arrow on the Upload to Cloud button in the taskbar and select the Open Elements Web button to open the Elements Web app in your computer's default browser and sign in using your Adobe account. Uploaded cloud media appears on the Media tab at the top of the web app. Alternatively, to access the home screen of the web app, click the Home tab instead. Alternatively, to create and share creations from uploaded cloud media, click the Creations tab at the top of the web app. Then click the Start button for the desired type of content to create, and follow the on-screen instructions to add the cloud media to the creation. After the creation is created, you can then edit it within the Creations tab. Editing options for cloud creations are like their counterparts in the Photoshop Elements desktop app, which we will discuss in later lessons. To name the creation, click the pencil editing icon by its name, type a new name, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard. To download the creation, click the Download button and select any download options if needed. Note that you cannot import cloud creations from Elements Web into the organizer as their editable counterparts for the Photoshop Elements desktop app. Cloud creations are only editable from within the Elements Web app. Alternatively, to share the cloud creation using Facebook, email, or a sharing link, click the Share button, select your desired sharing method, and then follow the on-screen instructions to finish. To return to the Creations tab when editing a cloud creation if needed, click the back arrow button in the upper left corner of the editing screen. To edit a cloud creation in the future, click the Creations tab, and then click the Creation to Edit to open its editing screen. To rename, delete, or download a cloud creation, click the Creations tab, and then click the ellipsis mark button under the desired creation. Then select either the Rename, Delete, or Download command as desired. To manage your cloud media, click the Media tab. Then hover over the media to manage, and click to check the checkbox that appears over the media to select it. Then click either the Create, Share, or Delete button in the toolbar that appears at the bottom of the window as needed. To download a media item uploaded to the cloud storage in Elements Web to the Organizer window in the Photoshop Elements desktop app, click the drop-down arrow on the Upload to Cloud button in the taskbar, and then click the Import Cloud Media button. Alternatively, click the Import button in the Shortcuts bar, or select File, Get Photos and Videos from the menu bar, and then select the From the Cloud command. Doing any of these actions then opens the Import from the Cloud dialog box. If all media has been synced, a message informing you of that fact appears in this dialog box. However, if you are missing any media in your organizer that appears in the cloud storage, those media items then appear in the Import from the Cloud dialog box. To import items from the cloud in Photoshop Elements to the organizer, click to select the media items to import in the dialog box. Optionally, to change the download location, click the Download Location link at the bottom of the dialog box. Select a new download folder location within the Select Folder dialog box that opens, and then click the Select Folder button within it to finish. Then click the Import button in the Import from the Cloud dialog box to finish importing the selected media items into the organizer.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.